Okay, so here's this scenario. You're taking off your wheel and you broke off a couple of studs. What do you do now? You could take it to the shop, they could charge you a bunch of money, or you could just do it yourself. I'll show you how to do it. You'll need a few things like a couple of jacks, a breaker bar or an impact, and a torque wrench for putting the wheel back on. I'm taking off the brake caliper. There's 2 bolts on the back, and I'm just whacking the things off with a soft blow hammer and a wrench. Notice how there's 2 threaded holes in the disc rotor. Here's what you do with them. Okay, not really. Those are actually there to help you get this thing off when it's stuck on there just a little bit like this. So notice how the disc is also a drum for the parking brakes, which are drum brakes. While I'm cleaning up here, you'll notice that 3 of those studs are new gold ones. Those have already been replaced. But the silver ones, those are the stock ones, and they were kind of bunged up on the threads and will probably break in the future, so those are the ones I'm replacing for this video. Do stuff on the left, broken stuff on the right. Notice that I have an open nut that I can thread all the way onto the stud. I'm using this box end wrench here as a spacer. Shut up. I'm opening up the caliper a little bit so it goes onto the rotor easier.
So we left at 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
And then you just put the caliper and the wheel back on and torque to spec. Easy peasy.